I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. This stunning 3-bedroom renovated bungaloft offers a rare 2-car garage. We're located in a quiet neighborhood, just steps to all amenities in downtown Dundas, and we're close to great schools, parks, and conservation hiking trails. Welcome to 10 Peel Street North. Completely updated from top to bottom, the beautiful open concept kitchen and living space features hardwood flooring, built-in cabinetry, there's stainless appliances, and quartz counters. There's 2 large bedrooms and a full bath on the main level, and a 3rd bedroom with a 2-piece ensuite on the upper level. The fantastic finished basement has a loft vibe with polished concrete floors and an exposed ceiling. Outside, you can enjoy gorgeous views of the escarpment and the Dundas Peak from a private patio. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.